6. I am thinking about change today, and specifically about how I might bring about a change. The first thing would be to know what the change is I want to make. Is it important enough to give up the status quo? Who might be affected by this change? Then, once I know for sure that the change is the right thing to do, how do I make this change? Is it something I can do on my own, or who do I need to bring along? What steps and what stages do I need to follow? Are there points along the way where I can escape if I need to? And then, lastly, how do I know that the change has been made? Is there a metric by which I can measure its success? Now, this all sounds like a complicated way of saying, look before you leap, but that has never been bad advice. Some changes are simpler to manage than others. If the change is sleep or weight or fitness, then the need for it is clear. There is no adverse effect on anyone else, the process is straightforward, and the outcome easy to quantify. In truth, ourselves are so quantified that it would be hard not to notice. But what about something like finding a creative outlet? The need is clear, but what has to be sacrificed to add something to my life? Do I trim those hours from work, from family, from sleep, from exercise? How does that affect the people around me, directly and indirectly? How do I gauge the success? How do I know that the change has happened? Still a relatively manageable change. What about changing career or location? In the end, I think that it is this mountain of decisions and considerations that makes me change resistant. But if I start with the easy ones, then I can work my way to the bigger changes. Not that the change in location or career is imminent, just examples with an asterisk saying, who knows? But the big three low-hanging fruit are sleep, weight, exercise. They are deeply connected, all very important, so will all need to change in tandem. The why is known, it's the how that comes next, and it really should be easy. I have failed consistently, but it should be simple to sort all three. And I hope to do that over the next few months, starting with sleep.